Open the Minter tab and press Deploy New Contract. Now only creating ERC 1155 is available via Dashboard. You will need to fill in the basic information for your future collection, such as title, symbol, and thumbnail. All these data will be sourced by the marketplaces from blockchain and be visible to your audience, so be sure to make it meaningful. Once all the data is filled, press Deploy Collection, confirm a transaction in your Web3 wallet and wait for it to get mined. If everything is good, you'd land on your collection screen with no tokens yet. Press Add Token to create a token. You will see a screen when you need to fill all the relevant data to mint your tokens. As it's 1155, all the copies of this token will share identical media. Fill in all the information. Minting section lets you choose one of the distribution models for your future tokens. If you select Mint at Claim, your tokens will be minted later using Linkdrop's claim links. If you select Mint now, the exact number of tokens will be minted right away. For this demo, we're using Mint at Claim as it's best for marketing use cases. Properties are optional, but it's good to have them to classify your future tokens. We'd fill in some random properties for the demo. When all the data is filled, press Mint and confirm a transaction in your Web3 wallet. As soon as your transaction will be mined, you will land on your collection screen displaying your token. Please proceed to the next tutorial to see how to create claim links for your token, share them and let your users mint NFTs at Claim.